Yo, what's up, Post Safe? It's Peyton Manning over here.
Hi, Grace. Joyce.
What? I'm so sorry for
Joyce
that.
gets it and she's hating me right now.
I have no idea. Okay, so that was fun. Question.
Answer.
Were there any evens in section 8.3, the little snippet you had to do? Oh, that was an 8.3. Okay, hold on. Oops. There we go.
This first week doesn't allow us to say schmuck anymore.
Good.
Makes me sad.
Number 64. Need to be a good example, Georgie. Sorry.
Oh, you don't.
Final answer, 51.313. Why aren't you grading?
Because I didn't do it.
Georgie.
I forgot we had
When are we checking homework? Monday. So Monday, have your stylos ready. Monday, have your notes ready. Final note check, final spiral check, and there we go.
And forevers and evers.
And the forever and ever final is what you're doing when I'm checking the others.
But we also want to bring those.
Yeah, it's true. Bring in your forevers and endeavors because who knows?
How long
Okay.
is it gonna be? Is that bad?
1 page, front and back.
Is it like the way that you did it last year? Where we get the page
Probably.
one?
There's going to be like probably a shorter section of derivative rules, integral rules, longer. So this will be half point each, longer-ish, which will be 1 point each, and then like theorems, 2 points each.
MVT. Rules theorem.
IVT.
I wish we could do those. We're not going to do those, are we? We're going to
You want some of those, yeah, because you don't have enough endeavors, but I'm definitely going to have a good representation of the endeavors as well. Okay. Question. So there were none in section 8.4?
There was 22.
Oh, there's 22. Yeah. It's frozen right now, so I'm just going ahead and doing something else. How about now? How about now? Uh-oh. Is it a rough day?
I don't. I think Nikki has more last time.
6.
I got something stronger. The love of God.
Number 22 is 6, because he knew he was alluding to something differently.
No.
Oh, really?
I was just letting her know before she got into it.
Mm-hmm. What you meant.
Yeah. I want her to think I'm
Alright, Amanda said she had a question on number 22. Were there any other ones, odds or evens, you guys had a question on?
Yeah.
Which ones?
19.
19. Anything else?
11. Yeah, 11 because you had to do that by hand, right? And I kept getting the wrong answer.
Yeah, you were supposed
Yeah,
to.
it's to expand it.
11, 19, 22. Those ones. Anything else?
We work on 11. Woo!
Struggle. Come on.
Go on to the next one, unless it wasn't anymore.
No, there weren't anymore. Otherwise, I would. There we go.
E-text.
Look at this. Look at
E
this.
stand for?
Electronic. Nicely done.
What does I stand for?
You?
Tell me that.
I did.
With interactive.
I think therefore.
I have.
Oh, like iPad, iPhone, like that? Probably. Okay, so our first one's 19, right?
It's 11.
Oh, 11, then 19, then 22. Hey, my screen's dying. That's fun. And they're all in 8.4, none in 8.3, right? We got 8.3, okay? What page is homework on?
425.
Let's see if number 11's on that one.
We did sure 34 and 36.
Oh, we had more?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I just realized.
Okay, 34. D and 36, B. Let me give you a second in case you want to check it. 34D.
So with like homework problems with the integration stuff, do you want us to do it by hand all the time?
Not all the time. I told you guys, for multiple choice ones, if there are decimals, it's definitely a calculator problem. If there are fractions, it's almost definitely a by hand problem. But I said for the volumes, which kind of, I think, probably most of you generalized to be everything in Chapter 8. You could do them by calculator, but it might be a good idea to do every other one by hand to make sure that you're not getting rusty. But it was up to you. It was personal choice. No more evens after 36, right? Was that a yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So number 11. Here we go. Let me see if my thing's not going to work. So let me get my snipping tool out. Those of you guys that didn't get this far in homework, you might want to go ahead and open up your notes and put it there, because then you can use it for tomorrow or tonight or whenever you do your homework. Alright, number 11 says find the exact length of the curve. We on the right one?
Yeah.
Okay, so using the arc length formula, right? We have 11, and then we have 19, and then we have 22. Okay. Analytically by anti-differentiation, so I'm guessing the hard part was the anti-differentiation part. Okay, so you guys get as your arc length, little s, right?
No, there's no pi.
No pi square root. You're thinking surface.
Yeah.
So square root of 1 plus, which is your derivative. Bring down the 3 halves, you have 1 half, right?
1/2 of the square root.
Oh, whoops, I'm dumb. It's, okay, I read you need to simplify the integrand algebraically before find the antiderivative. I read it as simplify that first and then find the derivative.
Yeah, I know. So the 1 half and the 2 cancels. We get to square, oops, wrong one. We get to square, which means the square root goes away, so we end up with 1 plus x squared times x squared plus 2. Is that right?
Wait, how did you?
Because it's 1 plus the derivative squared, right?
Oh.
So the 1 half and the 2 cancels from the u prime and the
What you prime?
poor little bunny.
Bunny?
Yeah.
What?
I should kill the bunny.
Oh.
That might be why I'm in my word.
Oh, you didn't make the same mistake?
No, just for this one, because like every time I tried it, it would be
It
wrong.
kept on messing up. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't think about bounds. Sorry, 0 to 3 the whole time, right? And that's a perfect square, true? Cool. So you have 1/3 x cubed plus x 0 to 3. 3 cubed is 27, divided by 3 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12, minus 0 plus 0. Second. And freeze it so you guys can get what else you need. Meanwhile, let me go grab number 19. P.S. I know you guys are smart, but just in case, don't forget to add the new endeavors that we've had from the last couple sections, just in case you don't think about it.
Oh, shit, you found the result.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, number 19 has 2 parts. But the second part is completely based on the first part. Alright, number 19. Find a curve through the point 1, 1 whose length integral is. Oh, our book uses L? That makes more sense. You guys can use L or little baby s. Sorry, lowercase s. That's a better way of putting that. Well, I did that anyway. Is this right?
Yeah, I was just asking what the answer was for that.
Oh, 12. Okay, number 19. How are we supposed to think through this one?
Since that one is that one is the derivative square.
we want to go back to the original curve? What are we going to do? So I'm going to say f of x is equal to, that's 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, so add 1 should be 1/2 divided by 1/2. Why on earth did it give us the 0.11? And make sure when you have all those integration rules on Monday that you put a plus c. True? So then plug in 1, 1. Square root of 1 has to equal 1. C must be 0, so therefore f of x. Well, that's no fun. It should have made it different. I guess that right.
Why did you put 1 over 4x equals f prime x squared?
Because of my arc length formula, square root of 1 plus f prime of x squared. So what's in that f prime of x squared spot? 1 over 4x. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now, how many such curves are there? How many answers are there? They technically just told us to find a curve. So saying, okay, is that the only one or are there more? What do you guys think?
Wait,
Only one that goes to 0.11, right? No?
False.
Is it 1 over the derivative? It's
Square root of 1 plus f prime of x or f prime of 1 or g prime of 1, whatever it is in that school. No, where was our error in logic? Where did we lose the second possibility?
Plus or minus?
When we did the square root here, it should have been technically plus or minus. We did square root both sides. So this could have been a positive or a negative. So hence over here when we put the derivative, this could have been a positive or a negative. So hence we plug in 1, 1. If we had positive 1 with a positive square root, c was 0. What if it was the negative square root?
Possible. Oh, no, no, no. Because 1 is still inside. Then your C would be 2.
Because we would have 1 being the negative square root of 1, and so that would be negative 1 added, yeah. So c is equal to, the other possibility would be f of x equals negative square root of x plus 2.
Why is it negative square root of x plus 2?
Because back here, we did the square root of both sides. We assumed it was positive, but it could have been plus or minus. So we had to include a plus or minus over here. So then we have two different options. So we either have 1 equals positive square root of 1 plus c, or 1 equals negative square root of 1 plus c. For our different functions of the positive root or the negative root. Positive root c is 0. Negative root c is 2. Couple more seconds if you need to write any of that down. Meanwhile, I'm going to go get number 22, and that's our last question. Uh-oh. Oh, wrong one. Did you guys see some of those ones I let you skip? That was kind of exciting. Maybe not. I have to admit, at least the title of number 22 is exciting.
That's not very exciting.
No, it's the asteroid. The graph of the equation x to the 2/3 plus y to the 2/3 is 1 is one of the family curves. Asteroids, not asteroids. Interesting. Because of their starlight appearance, there it is. Find the length of this particular asteroid by finding the length of half of the first quadrant portion and multiplying it by 8. What are they talking about?
They want us to find the length of half the first quadrant. So half the curve of the area in the first quadrant, of the one in the first quadrant, find half of that. So you find your little bound, and you divide.
Oh, they gave us bounds. What bounds are they giving us? How do they correspond?
Well, you can make it in terms of x and y. Let's make it easy. Let's make it in terms of x. So.
And they gave us the equation simplified for the first quadrant portion. I'm guessing we use the other quadrants, we have negatives in different places, right? But then I see if they already solved for us and told us which part of this equation is in the first quadrant.
So you just Or you should do the integral multiplied by 8. Now, yeah, my way was much more fun.
Your way.
Yeah. You do the whole length of the first quadrant and divide that by 2 and then multiply by 8.
Divide that by 2. Oh, I guess we did that as well.
Or you could just multiply by 4.
Then your bounds would have been just
0 to 1.
0 to 1 instead. And they already cut it down to just be 1 because otherwise, if we were plugging into this one, 0 to 1, we'd have 2 different points that would be ambiguous. But if you solve for y and you just choose the positive, that would be the top of the upper portion. So we could just go ahead and do 1 plus b prime, which would be 3 halves come down. On the outside, then we also have the u prime, which will be 2/3 come down, which will cancel out the 3 halves. So it'll be x to the negative 1/3. Oops, negative x to the negative 1/3 from u prime times 1 minus x to the 2/3 to the 1/2 squared. It's a little rough.
Okay, time to
Oh, I was just finding the first one again. Half the first one. So yeah, you're right. We do have to do the times 8, so I'll just say that's important. And then technically the squared, that would get rid of the negative, right? Are we supposed to do this one right here?
no, because it's not great.
2 over 4? Oh, square root of 2 over 4. I'm totally slogging this down. Square root of 2 over 4. That'd be 1 plus x to the 2/3 times 1 minus x to the 2/3. Yes.
Yeah, you can do this one with the calculator.
And that'd be a negative 2/3. That at least make it a little bit easier to input into your calculator. The way that should work out. And the final answer there, let's go ahead and just go back and peek. Oh yeah, they simplified too. Because they found y prime, then they squared it. And then, oh, they just kept going. They actually did it by hand. Final answer is 6. So then they were distributed. Because this one goes ahead and cancels to be 1. There we go. But a negative 1. 1 minus 1 cancels. You just have to power. You make that a 1. Half power. The 2's cancel. 1/3 negative 1. It's a good one to peek at just to make sure that you would follow the right steps if you did have to do it by hand.
But they really honestly give us something like that by hand.
That one's technically not bad. I mean, it's a little tricky, right? But you end up with x to the negative 1/3. That's not that big a deal. Okay. So, with that, 8-4 homework is done. True? All right. We already know that notes and spiral are due by Monday. There we go. Forever Endeavor final is on Monday as well. Some of you guys might need to update cards. Just make sure you have that done. But that means on the day of the final, you are not going to have to bring your notes. You're not going to have to bring your spiral. Not going to have to bring your Forever Endeavor cards. All you're going to need is blank paper, pencil, calculator, and tutoring hours and stamp sheet. If they're done, you can turn them into the back. If they're not done, get them done by the day of the final and turn them in. We are the second final on Thursday. Is that right? Yeah, the second final on Thursday. I was thinking I would give you just a few problems as a Chapter 8, as a Chapter 8 review, just because we're not going to have a Chapter 8 test. So I figured a little baby Chapter 8 review isn't a bad idea to give you some sort of culmination of the chapter itself. So, as a result, go ahead and get out your spiral. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of that. Let me pull up this.
My notes hit page 100.
That's exciting. Where am I going? but this is going to be a kind of weird one because I'm kind of piecing together some of the different AP-ish ones. So let's do page 419. Numbers 1 through 4.
Oh.
Let's do page 437. Numbers 1 through 3. And let's do
Final, is it like a full-on 5-paragraph essay when he means essay? Because it's very ambiguous to me. I don't know.
Weitzel's is gonna be fun.
Mr. Wolf's final, is it when he means like 5 essays? Does he mean like 5-paragraph essays? Or he means like, okay. Okay.
Like a case study.
Paragraph. Because he went like this when he explained it to us. I was like, what is this?
Probably like one a page.
I don't like these.
Chapter 8 review? Driving a test note?
No, but if you were listening to what I was saying, since we're not having a test on chapter 8, I still wanted to give you some sort of just little baby culmination just to have you review it in its entirety.
Yeah, that's why I was confused. I'm like, sorry. It's not that I didn't listen to you. I said that's what went off in my head when I saw chapter 8 review. I was like, didn't she say? But I think I was
So let's do 45.
The final review is
47.
47.
And then 51. There we go. That works. Okay. So the first one is sections 8.1 to 8.3, the AP reviewish ones, the 3 multiple choice, 1 free response, but not all the AP one. 3 multiple choice, and then 1 cylindrical shell and 1 surface area. We got a pretty good representation of chapter 8. So let's have that one due on Monday, but technically I'm totally cool if you guys just work on it now. As a quick recap. Is that good? Okay, if you need a book, I have one here. There are 3 or 4 up there.
Isn't the teacher's edition with the answers?
Is it actually shown in the section itself? It might be.
I would assume so.
I used to pre-cal where they like none of them ever bring their books and they don't know what to do and they just get lost. Oh, never mind. Use those ones.
I remember a few comments at the end.
One more book.
And those of you behind on homework, can technically work on last time. You never know. Joyce might be behind on homework.
I don't even think she grades them this year. Pretty sure she said.
Can I pause it?
Oh,
Or
yeah.